He said I could try them on as long as I didn't crease the toe box. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. This is actually my first video on the channel, yeah, really excited. Today we're doing an unboxing of some shoes. Little hype action here. So these are the Nike Jordan Air Force One NC to Chai. I have notes here because I'm not super duper familiar with the hype culture, but they're pretty sweet, and they're my buddies. And he had me send them to my house because he lives in Honduras and mail is a little different down there. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox them for him, and pretty much doing the video just for him, but it's something I thought would be fun to do for everybody. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So let's get in here using the Kershaw, I forget the name of it, but it's a sick knife, and I've had it for years and I love it, and it's not super expensive. It might be like 50 bucks or something like that. So here we go. Nice and carefully here. And these shoes were released on February 13th this year, 2020. So it being April, they're actually a pretty new shoe in general. All right, so past the wrap here. Get that out of the way. Pretty sweet box, if you can see it. A nice solid red color. So, here we go. Ooh, baby. I've never gotten something from StockX before, so this is pretty dope. We've got a nice card here with some Rolexes on it. Classic, love it. Class E, Class A. And yeah, it says, welcome. By now you already know how StockX is the live marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. But we're about so much more than that, of course. Absolutely, it's StockX, you know? It's about access. Whether it's the latest sneaker drop you missed out on, or that Gucci bag you've always wanted. Who hasn't wanted one of those? On StockX, everything is always available and always 100% authentic. Plus, with StockX, you always pay a fair price. The true market price. So thank you for buying in StockX and for being a part of our incredible community. Let's go. Sweet. Little note from the CEO there. StockX is pretty awesome. It's definitely the go-to place if you're into things that get hype, if you will. So a lot of like the classic Supreme stuff, or Off-White, or Gucci, Louis Vuitton. These things are really hype in the culture, and StockX is the place to go, and they're headquartered in Detroit. And since I'm from Michigan, I think that's pretty cool. We could all use a little more Detroit love. So, all right, let's get into it. So, oh yeah. So here they are. So you got the authentic tag from StockX, so we know they're real, which is a good thing. And yeah, you notice this is so it's UNC to Chai, right? So UNC being University of North Carolina, where Michael Jordan played in college. And then you got the Chicago Bulls colors up here. So UNC colors in the back, and then Chicago Bulls in the front. And it's pretty dope. And then you got the red sole. So looking good. And you'll notice, like, if you can tell, this color is a little bit more saturated than UNC's actual colors, probably to kind of make it pop. And honestly, like, if you're thinking about color theory, I think it works better to saturate this blue a little more because of the black trim the black body right here. So yeah, pretty freaking dope. I love it. And let's see, here's the other one. Oh yeah, that's crispy. You get a nice thick leather label from Nike in that beautiful red dye. So yeah, that's the shoes. First impressions, really nice. Gotta say, I myself am not like a super basketball dude, but I can definitely appreciate Michael Jordan and his career, and like all that he means for really the entire world. I mean, even if you're not a basketball fan, you can appreciate Michael Jordan for who he is and what he's done in the culture. And these shoes are dope, man. I really like them. So when you think of it, this really is the epitome of a Jordan shoe. It's the original design, the Jordan 1, the one we all know and love, and it celebrates his experience, right? So you got the UNC colors here and the Chicago Red Bulls colors here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Jordan 1 UNC to Chai. And stay tuned for more content. Not every piece of content will be about shoes. Looking to do more lifestyle gear or everyday stuff that is just good stuff that I've seen and I've used and that I like talking about. So hope you enjoyed this first video from the channel, and would absolutely love if you could drop a like and subscribe. Give me some feedback. It's my first time doing YouTube content, and I'm really excited to get into it, but I have a lot to learn. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.